Well, it's one of India's best tiger habitats, but all is not well in Panna in Madhya Pradesh, where it's been a long time since a tiger was sighted. An official census says the number of tigers is down to just 24. Others fear that number could be even lower.
A sight that's not been seen in Madhya Pradesh's Panna Tiger Reserve for a long time now. Tiger sightings have become rare, and spotting a female tiger is even rarer. As per the 2004 census, Panna had 35 tigers. This year, the official count has come down to 24, but many experts believe that actual numbers could be much lower, a situation that's alarming.
There is no female, only males are surviving, and I think it's already Sariska has happened.
No wonder tourists are disappointed.
ना टाइगर देखने को मिला, ना उनकी आवाज तक सुनाई नहीं दी.
The government-appointed team of experts that was in Panna to examine claims of disappearing tigers says it found 50 pug marks, an indication of tiger presence. But experts say this is no guarantee that tiger numbers are not on the decline, especially the females.
We have not seen a tiger yet, but we must have seen about over 50 pug marks, in good condition, in bad condition. Because we have not seen any tiger as such, therefore it is very difficult to say whether there is any female, there is no female. But there is only one pug mark which confirms that a cub is there.
But the park authorities are unwilling to accept the problem.
अभी डायरेक्ट देखने में ये टाइगर का प्रेजेंस का पता नहीं लगता है. बहुत सारा इनडायरेक्ट एविडेंस होता है, पग मार्क होता है, विस्टा होता है, खरोंच होता है और किल होता है. ये सभी एविडेंसेस है. अभी टाइगर को देखने के ही उसका प्रेजेंस बताना ही है तो सिर्फ जू में ही जाके देखना है.
Known as the Emerald Forest, Panna was considered one of the best tiger habitats in the country. But if urgent steps are not taken to monitor and protect the tiger population, it could well go the Sariska way. With Om Prakash in Panna, Aradhna Sharma for NDTV.
Panna's fast disappearing.